Hi everyone, how are you doing? So as you read from the title, today I am opening up my Paper Box mini subscription for March 2019, and look how cute the packaging is. It says exactly what the name is in the month, but I love how each month it comes, like, not only like is everything personalized in here, but also the packaging is personalized for each month. So there's little flowers on here. I think that is super cute for March. Before we begin, I want to remind you that I do have a giveaway going on, and that is to win the new ABH Riviera palette that ends on the 20th. So I will leave the link down in the description box for the giveaway video where I talk more in depth about how to enter and all of that. So definitely check that out if you have not yet entered. So if you do not know about the Paper Box, I've been getting this for a few months now and I love it. There are two different subscription options. There is the mini, which I am opening today, and then also the grand box. So I will link below the March grand box. I already opened that earlier this month. That one is $28, but I do have a code where you could try it for $10. So definitely check that out if you're interested and love stationery subscriptions. So what both of these are personalized stationery subscriptions. They're super cute. In the mini box, you get, it's only $10 and you get 3 personalized notepads each month. And I find notepads super useful. I'm a list maker, I've said this many times before, so I love having them around the house. Last month, I think we got like a shopping list, or no, it wasn't a shopping list, it was a meal planner like notepad, and I find that so useful. So there's cute things in there, so I am very excited to see what's in here. So let's get unboxing. So when I pull it out, this is what I see, and it looks pretty colorful and cute this month. So the notepads are held together by this piece of paper that says My Paper Box, and on the back it just has their social media handles if you want to check that out. And I love it how coordinated they are this month. Let's see what they all say. I will start with the smallest notepad. So this one says Kitty on it, and then it has this floral print around the side. There is that. I think that is cute. So we got a decent amount of papers. They all look the same. So this is a cute one to leave around the house to jot down notes like when you're on the phone or anything like that. And then the next one is like a horizontal one. We've gotten these before. I actually have one behind me. I write like video ideas down and stuff like that. So this has like that same floral print, and it also says Kitty up here in the corner. So that is super cute. And there's a decent amount of pages in there too. Alright, and last but not least is the largest. And this is, again, similar print, and also says Kitty, but this is lined. So if you're, this would be probably my ideal go-to for making lists. I like when they're more neatly organized and on lined paper. So that is what that looks like. These are cute. So all these are pretty basic this month. They're not like shopping lists or anything like that, but you can make them out to be whatever you want to be, so nothing's wrong with that. I love this one the most probably. I like them all though. Like seriously, I love having these around. These are super cute. I actually kind of like that they're all coordinated in color too. So yeah, so that is all that for $10. I think it is super cute. Like I said, I will leave a link down below for their website, and also I will leave a link below for my grand unboxing so you can see what that's about. There's more than just notepads in that one. There's like personalized cards, stickers, notebooks, all types of stuff. So if you're into that, definitely check that video out. Before we go, I do want to just tell you, like I have been, my look that I have in my eyes. I actually just filmed 2 videos in a row, so if you saw my Vella box unboxing, this is the same thing, but anyways, until the 20th, I am using this palette every single day because I'm giving it away. I want to show you guys the versatility of the palette and also create fun eye looks, and it's kind of a creative challenge for me, so it's been fun. So this is what the palette looks like, and I finally ventured into like the purple shade today. So I've now tried every shade, and I must say I really do love this palette. So today I used Coastline and then Monte Carlo in my crease, so this like apricot type shade, and then this pink. And then I went in with the purple can shade in my outer half of my lid. And then up here I used Mediterranean on the inner part of my lid for some shimmer, and I think the colors look great together. And then on my lower lash line I used Yacht. And I totally dug a nail into that sale shade on accident today, so That's a bummer, but I'm kind of glad it was the white and not the other shades. There's still a lot left in there, so yeah. So I've been loving this palette. So anyways, I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.